Shenzhen Langke Automation Equipment Company is a leading manufacturer and seller which is concerned with the design, R&D of high-speed LED pick and place machine and lens feeder. Established at the keen competitive stage of LED manufacturing industry, we are located in Shenzhen, Guangdong Province. Our company, based on technology invention and research, gained dozens of patents in SMT area. All of our spare parts are precisely designed and high standard warehousing inspection. Besides, all of our products comply with international quality standards and greatly appreciated in a variety of different markets throughout the world. We are the first one designed and produced the FPCB pick and place machine, which can assemble FPCB with any length continuous. Cater to the brand of FPCB in LED industry. Our lens feeders are also popular in LED and TV industry. Many advanced LED and television manufacturers are using our lens feeder. For instance, Shenzhen MTC Group and Linghang Lighting Company. Our factory covers an area of 4,000 square meters. Headquarters in Shenzhen and established Zhongshan branch and Dongguan branch. Now we have over 60 employees, an annual sales figure that exceeds 10 million USD, and are currently exporting 20% of our production worldwide. Our well-experienced technician team and excellent quality control throughout all stages of production enables us to guarantee total customer satisfaction. Besides, we persist in providing products with high capacity, high precision, and high cost-effective as operation principle at the establishment of our company. We will continuous research and make efforts to do this well, make the LED industry all over the world develop faster and prosperous, also make a contribution to get our society more environment-friendly. If you are interested in any of our products or would like to discuss a custom order, please feel free to contact us. We are looking forward to forming successful business relationships with new clients around the world in the near future.